In the depths of human experience lies a profound truth that many of us overlook: the power to be our own salvation. As we navigate through life's labyrinth, we often seek refuge in others: friends, family, therapists, spiritual guides. But what happens when these pillars of support crumble? Ever thought about this? In today's world, where authenticity drowns in the ocean of materialism, we've witnessed the painful metamorphosis of human connections. Those we call friends might disappear when storm clouds gather. Healthcare professionals, despite their oath, might prioritize profit over healing. Even mental health practitioners are supposed emotional lighthouses might lead us astray with their own agendas. Are you getting my point? This isn't meant to breed cynicism, but to awaken self reliance. Think of yourself as a house. Yeah, think of yourself as a house. Others may visit, some may stay a while, but you alone are its permanent resident. You must learn to be your own electrician, your own plumber, your own maintenance crew. In psychological terms, you must become your own therapist, your own cheerleader, your own voice of reason, your own voice of logic, thinking rationally, critically, and radically. Consider the red flags we often ignore when someone treats us as an option, making us their backup plan. We must have the courage to walk away right away. When? When relationships become transactional, when support becomes conditional, we need to recognize these patterns. True self love means setting boundaries, even if it means standing alone temporarily. Yeah, this is how it should be. But here's the beautiful paradox. When we learn to be our own savior, we attract authentic connections. We When we stop seeking validation from others, we find our genuine worth. When we cease trying to fix others to fix ourselves, we discover our innate wholeness. Yeah. Consider how often we seek external validation, measuring our worth through others' eyes. We chase approval like shadows, forgetting that the sun that casts these shadows lies within us. The modern world has conditioned us to believe that happiness is found in possessions, success in social media likes, and healing in expensive therapy sessions. But But true salvation lies in self awareness and self compassion. When you learn to sit with your thoughts, embrace your flaws, and celebrate your growth, you become impervious to betrayal. When you master the art of self soothing, external abandonment loses its sting. When you learn to trust your intuition, manipulative voices fade into background noise. This doesn't mean isolating yourself from others. Rather, it means building such a strong foundation within that external support becomes a choice, not a necessity. It means developing the wisdom to distinguish between those who add value to your life and those who drain it. Remember, in your darkest moments, the hand that pulls you out of the abyss will most likely be your own. Yeah. Be thy savior. For in the end, the most reliable friend you can have is the one Who stares back at you in the mirror? Hope I'm making sense. Do give me your feedback about my thoughts or whatever you think. See you in the next video.